Welcome viewers. Today we'll do one of the important questions of limits. हम लोग का लिमिट दिया हुआ है, लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0, x साइन अल्फा प्लस बीटा इंटू एक्स प्लस साइन अल्फा माइनस बीटा इंटू एक्स प्लस साइन 2 अल्फा एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई कॉस स्क्वायर बीटा एक्स minus cos square alpha x. Now how to solve this problem? Now I can write this as x is equal to sin alpha plus beta x plus sin alpha minus beta x in one bracket, plus this can be written as 2 sin alpha x into cos alpha x divided by cos square beta x minus cos square alpha x. Now what formula I have used here? I have used the formula sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. I have used this formula there, and also I will use this one sin c plus sin d, that is sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. So these two formula I will use here. This is sin alpha plus beta x plus sin alpha minus beta x. So I can write this as x into 2 sin alpha plus beta x plus alpha minus beta x divided by 2 into cos alpha plus beta x into alpha minus beta x divided by 2, and this is equal to plus 2 sin alpha x into cos alpha x divided by, I can write this as 1 minus sin square beta x minus 1 minus sin square alpha x. You can write this cos square beta x 1 minus sin square beta x. So this is plus beta x minus beta x, this is cancel, and this is sin 2 alpha x, this is equal to x 2 sin 2 alpha x divided by 2 into cos beta and beta cancel, this is alpha and alpha cancel, this is beta x minus minus plus 2 beta x, so 2 beta x by 2 plus 2 sin alpha x into cos alpha x divided by 1 minus sin square beta x minus 1 plus sin square alpha x. This minus and plus cancel, and this 2 cancel, this is 2 cancel. So this is equal to x into 2 sin alpha x cos beta x plus 2 sin alpha x into cos alpha x divided by sin square alpha x minus sin square beta x. So I can write this from here. I can write this is x. I can take common 2x sin alpha x. I can take common, and this is equal to cos beta x plus cos alpha x And here obviously we will write limit x tending to 0. Here also limit x tending to 0. I have to find the limiting value of this limit x tending to 0. This is also limit x tending to 0. And this is simply a square minus b square. Formula is a minus b, a plus b. So this is sine alpha x plus beta x, sine alpha x plus sine beta x and this is sine alpha x minus sine beta x. This is sine square alpha x minus sine square beta x. So this is a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. Now this is cos c plus cos d. What is the formula of cos c plus cos d? This is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. And what is sine c minus sine d? This is equal to also 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. This is cos. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now right here, this is 2x sin alpha x. This is equal to into 2 cos alpha x plus beta x by 2 into cos alpha x minus beta x by 2. And here also 2 sin alpha x plus beta x by 2 into cos alpha x minus beta x by 2 into again 2 cos alpha x plus beta x by 2 into sin alpha x minus beta x by 2. So this cos alpha x minus beta x, this cancels, and cos alpha x plus cos beta x also cancel, and 2 2s are 4, this 2 and this 2 cancel, this 2 cancel. So we are left with limit x tending to 0. We are left with x sin alpha x, and here we are left with sin x take common alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha x take x common alpha minus beta by 2. Now we know one formula, very important one, that is limit x tending to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. This is the one most important formula we'll use here. So this is x and this is sin alpha. I can write this sin alpha x by alpha x. So I have to write here alpha and x into x squared. Limit x tending to 0. And here also we can write this sin alpha x, sin x alpha plus beta by 2 divided by alpha into x, alpha plus beta by 2x. I can write this, and here also I can write sin alpha minus beta by 2 Achha, we have written x here also. And limit x tending to 0. Alpha minus beta by 2, and this is limit x tending to 0. So I have divided this alpha plus beta by 2 with x. So I have to multiply it also, alpha plus beta by 2 into x. And also alpha minus beta by 2 into x. See here, I am writing here alpha plus beta by 2 into x, and also alpha minus beta by 2 x, because I have divided it, so I have multiplied it. Now this x square and this x and x square cancels. So we are left with, this is equal to, this is 1. And this is also 1. Limit x tending to this by formula, sin x by x equal to 1. So sin alpha plus beta by 2x divided by alpha plus beta by 2x, this is 1. This is sin alpha minus beta by 2 divided by alpha minus beta by 2 into x is equal to 1. And we are left with 1 divided by alpha, and here is 1 into alpha, and here we are getting alpha plus beta by 2 into alpha minus beta by 2. So we are left with 4 alpha divided by alpha square minus beta square. So students, see, this is one of the important questions. X sin alpha plus beta into x sin alpha minus beta into x plus sin 2 alpha x. पहले क्या करोगे, sin 2 alpha x को फॉर्मूला से तोड़ लोगे, 2 sin alpha, सिंपल ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल फॉर्मूला से तोड़ लोगे, 2 sin alpha x into cos alpha x. sin c प्लस sin d का फॉर्मूला से फर्स्ट हम लोग किसको तोड़ रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट हम लोग कर रहे हैं, we are left with then cos beta plus cos alpha, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now just to put the values, you put in the formula, the 2 will be cancelled, and your sin alpha plus beta x, cos alpha x plus beta x divided by 2 is cancelled with cos alpha x plus beta x by 2, and cos alpha x minus beta x by 2 is cancelled with this one. So we are left with only sin terms. Here this is sin alpha x. I can write this sin alpha x divided by alpha x. Here x is already there, so x into x I am divided it, so I have to multiply it also with alpha x. So alpha x square, here it is x, and here we are coming with x into x, so x square will be cancelled with it. So we are getting 1 into alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta by 2. So 4 alpha divided by alpha square minus beta square. Students, please share my channel, like it and subscribe it, and if you have any doubt, you please write in the comment box. I'll solve your problem.